Welcome to the VW channel. Today I'm going to unbox a set of Doug Gonzalez Performance 063 heads. These are a pre-production set of heads, so they don't have the seats or guides installed yet. He does plan on selling them complete, so that's why they aren't available yet, but I'll put a link down in the description to where you can contact him to find out when they will be available. So let's get to the unboxing. So I got the heads all unboxed. As you can see, they come without the seats or guides installed because these are a pre-sale set. You can see they've got 10 fins here. Better cooling. And got nice ports. And a nice heart-shaped combustion chamber. They've got 60 cc's in the chambers, so you can run a nice tight deck but still have a decent compression. They're set up for 40mm intakes and 35 on the exhaust. Castings look nice and clean. Machining looks good. I'm going to give you a few close-ups. Ports are pretty clean out of the box. There's a little bit of casting flash in there, but it's not bad. Now I just need to get the seats and guides installed, put them on a engine. If you have any suggestions on what I should put them on, leave a comment down below.